Hi guys, so in my previous video we knitted a top using the Sentro knitting machine, and that was just a sample for me to get used to it. So now I have so many leftover yarns and I'm thinking of doing a backless top with like a ribbon on the back, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, I had so much yarn left from previous projects. I chose this one because I never did something with it and I really like it. This is really easy actually. It's just the first time that you try may not be that easy, but yeah, overall my experience is being really good. One thing that I would like to have is these weights that you can put on your fabric, so when the needles are knitting your project they don't pull up the stitches and unravel everything. So for sure apply some like pressure on the fabric so it doesn't come out. And casting off is actually really easy as well, and it was a really quick process compared to hand knitting. So here I'm doing the straps for the ribbon part on the back of the top, and the top is going to be actually really simple. It's just a rectangle with these two straps so you can close the top, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to do like a tunnel so I can do an I-cord strap to close the garment on the neck. It's kind of giving alter top vibes, but it turned out really well. Obviously this is the wrong side and now I'm attaching the straps. Oh, I also thought that it would look nice to do some edge, so I did this in crochet, and actually I had the yarn that really matched the little bit of white, and here's the I-cord. It took me a little bit longer, but that's fine. So then I washed the top and as well I blocked it, and it ended up making a huge difference. We finished our top and I already blocked this, so now we are just going to try this. So this is how it looks. So it has like this strap here so I can tie this, and also it has the open back and this little ribbon here, and you can style the back ribbon at the back or on the front, and I think it looks really nice. And also it was a way to use this yarn because I didn't know where to use it, so yeah, I think it looks really cute. I think it will look really nice with some jeans, like these oversized jeans. And yeah, so the Sentro machine was really helpful. It was really fast to knit this, and I also added like these details in crochet on the edges just to give a little something, and so I can have the white spots here on a detail. So I think this Sentro knitting machine is really helpful and is really worth it if you want some quick and easy projects. So if you're on a rush and you want to have some garment ready or stuff, I think it is really worth it. Yeah, I had a lot of fun, so I have no problems with this machine. So I think it was really fun, and I hope that you guys like this. If you did like, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you in my next video.